Living on a tight budget might seem overwhelming, but with a little planning and a smart approach, you can accomplish extraordinary feats, like living on just $500 a month. Welcome to today's video, where I'll share my tried and true strategies to master extreme frugality and live comfortably on a limited budget. If you're ready to save money, embrace simplicity, and make every dollar count, this is the place for you. Let's dive in. 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is crucial to living on $500 a month. It provides a comprehensive view of your cash flow, helping you identify where you can cut expenses. Here's how to get started. Income tracking. List all sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any financial support. This gives you a clear picture of your total monthly inflow. Expense categorization. Break down your expenses into categories such as rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and savings. This helps you understand where your money is going. Identify savings opportunities. Review each expense category to identify areas where you can cut back. For example, you might find that you can reduce your utility bills by being more energy efficient or save on groceries by shopping smarter. Set spending limits. Assign a specific amount to each expense category. Ensure your total spending does not exceed $500. This might require some tough decisions, but it's essential for staying within your budget. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review your budget and adjust as necessary. Track your actual spending against your budget to ensure you're staying on track. 2. Make a grocery list. Food is one of the biggest expenses for most people. Creating a detailed grocery list and sticking to it can significantly reduce your food costs. Here's how. Meal planning. Plan your meals for the week and make a list of ingredients you need. This helps avoid impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you need. Smart shopping. Avoid frequent trips to the grocery store, as this can lead to unnecessary purchases. Buy in bulk when items are on sale, and choose store brands over name brands to save money. Track inventory. Keep track of your pantry and fridge items. Write down what you need to restock as soon as you run out to avoid extra trips to the store. Use a shopping list app. Consider using a grocery shopping app that helps you keep track of prices, create lists, and find the best deals. 3. Use sales and coupons. Taking advantage of sales and coupons can drastically reduce your grocery bills. Here's how. Price monitoring. Keep a record of regular prices for items you frequently buy. This helps you recognize genuine sales and avoid false deals. Stock up smartly. When items you use regularly go on sale, stock up if you can. This prevents you from paying full price later. Coupon clipping. Combine coupons with sales for maximum savings. Look for coupons in newspapers, online, and through store loyalty programs. Digital coupons. Use digital coupon apps and websites to find additional savings. Many stores offer digital coupons that can be loaded directly onto your store loyalty card. 4. Cut down on eating out. Eating out can quickly drain your budget. Here's why cooking at home is better. Cost savings. Making meals at home can save up to 400% compared to dining out. This includes the cost of ingredients, preparation, and service. Healthier options. Home-cooked meals are often healthier since you control the ingredients and cooking methods. Enjoyment and learning. Cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience. It's a great way to learn new recipes and enjoy quality time with family. Batch cooking. Cook large batches of meals and freeze portions for later. This saves time and money, ensuring you always have a meal ready without the temptation of eating out. 5. Limit entertainment spending. Entertainment is another area where you can save money. Here are some strategies. Affordable alternatives. Instead of expensive outings, consider free or low-cost activities like hiking, biking, or hosting a movie night at home. Social savings. Suggest budget-friendly activities to your friends, such as potluck dinners or game nights, instead of going out for drinks or meals. Budget for fun. Allocate a small portion of your budget for entertainment to ensure you don't overspend while still enjoying yourself. Library resources. Utilize your local library for free entertainment options like books, movies, and even community events. 6. Buy used items. Buying used items can save a significant amount of money. Here are some tips. Thrift stores and online marketplaces. Shop at thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay or Facebook Marketplace for used items. Quality over new. Some items like musical instruments, books, and certain electronics are better to buy used. They can be just as good as new, but at a fraction of the cost. Exchange programs. For students, used textbooks are a great way to save. Look for exchange programs or stores that sell secondhand textbooks. Inspect before buying. Always inspect used items carefully before purchasing to ensure they are in good condition and worth the price. 7. Take public transportation. Transportation costs can take a big chunk of your budget. Consider these options to save money. Public transport. Use buses, trains, or subways instead of driving. This reduces costs related to gas, parking, and maintenance. Carpooling. Share rides with coworkers or friends. This splits the cost of gas and reduces wear and tear on your vehicle. Alternative transportation. If feasible, bike or walk to your destination. This not only saves money, but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. Plan efficient routes. If you must drive, plan your routes to be as efficient as possible to save on gas and reduce mileage. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage your finances and live comfortably on $500 a month. Careful planning, smart shopping, and frugal living are the keys to achieving this goal. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community, and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.